Back to iQuanta's YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing a question of Parasummary from CAT 2021, slot 2. Direction of the question is the passage given below is followed by four alternate summaries. Choose the option that best captures the essence of the passage. The passage goes like this. Creativity is now viewed as the engine of economic progress. Various organizations are devoted to its study and promotion. There are encyclopedias and handbooks surveying creativity research. But this proliferating success has tended to erode creativity's stable identity. It has become so invested with value that it has become impossible to police its meaning and the practices that supposedly identify and encourage it. Many people and organizations committed to producing original thoughts now feel that undue obsession with the idea of creativity gets in the way of real creativity. You can pause the video, solve the question, come back with your answers, and then look at the complete video solutions. And of course, comment whether you have got it right or not. Well, the question, this passage is all about how the idea, how the idea of creativity, the concept has lost its meaning and how it is hampering the real creativity. So if you look at the options, the first option talks about the obsession with original thought, how it can be promoted, and research has made it impossible for people and organizations to define the concept anymore. So option one talks about original thought, whereas the passage talks about creativity. So option one is eliminated. Option 2. The value assigned to creativity today has assumed such proportions that the concept itself has lost its real meaning and this is hampering the engendering of real creativity. So this option 2 actually encompasses everything which is given in the passage. Option 2 is the most correct choice. But before choosing it, let's read option 3 and 4. Option 3 talks about the industry that has built up around researching what comprises and encourages creativity has destroyed the creative process itself. So option 3 is blaming the industry for destroying the creative process. This is not true according to the paragraph. So third option cannot be correct. Fourth says creativity has proliferated to the extent that is no longer a stable process and its mutating identity has stifled the creative process. This thing is out of context, so this cannot be true. Option 2 is the best possible choice. Thanks.